Hello, my name is Mark Dunn for Winelect Now, and this is Lesson 2 in my series on SQL Server 2012 for developers. Today we're going to take a look at some different SQL Server 2012 tools and really dig into how to use SQL Server Management Studio. We'll learn a few tricks that you didn't see in Session 1. A little bit about me if you missed the first lesson. My name is Mark Dunn. I'm a regional director covering the Southeast United States. I'm also a Microsoft MVP in the area of Visual Basic.net, as well as being the president of a training company based in Atlanta, Georgia called Dunn Training Incorporated. I'm also certified as a Microsoft Database Administrator for SQL Server, a solution developer, and I've been a certified trainer for the past 15 years or so. Now directly, and this will allow me to enter some data. We'll go with our buddy skipped over again, and then perhaps I leaned over, and then finally bend over. And you can see that as I enter more rows, the test ID is incrementing by 1, starting at 100. Now it's very easy also to delete objects from the Object Explorer. I can simply right click and choose to delete a table. Click OK and there it goes. And then I could also delete the database if I wish. I want to show you the ability to do something called attaching and detaching a database. If I want to detach a database, I can simply right click and go over to tab. As long as you're going to write something like a script like we're doing now, it never hurts to put a use in there and tell it which database you want to use. And I'm getting IntelliSense. This is the equivalent to me selecting Chinook here and clicking execute to change my database context. And at this point I can write a query. So we'll write just a simple query. There are a few things I want to look at. We'll go back and design it in the editor again. And this time let's add our employees. And we'll go ahead and pick out the employee ID, the first name, last name, and let's say we want their hire date and their email address. And upon clicking OK, we get our query in our window.